Join Southern Views magazine today as we tour Malon and Laura Wickham's home in beautiful Green Island Hills. Enjoy! Located in Green Island with sweeping views of Lake Oliver, Laura and Malon Wickham's home is a beautiful reflection of timeless style and thoughtful renovation. In 2024, the couple reimagined key spaces in the residence with the help of contractor Cargill and SL Mullin, along with the creative guidance of interior designer Leslie Wolfe of Benton Parker Design. The focal point of the Wickham's foyer is the home's original floating staircase. Beneath it lies marble flooring salvaged from the original Columbus, Georgia courthouse, acquired by the home's first owner, Owen Roberts. Betsy Ilgis chose the Schumacher wall covering, and overhead hangs the original chandelier, a replica of the one featured in the film My Fair Lady. Leslie Wolfe of Benton Parker Design selected the custom sage green upholstered headboard, which contrasts beautifully with the Greek Villa white walls by Sherwin-Williams. White wool carpeting from Tom Phillips floor covering completes the serene color palette in the master bedroom, while a landscape painting by local artist Teal Duncan Henley brings a burst of color and lively energy to the space. John & Cargill fully renovated the master bathroom, respecting the home's original layout. The floor features Calcutta marble from Tom Phillips floor covering, while custom cabinetry was crafted by Peach State Cabinets. The Birds and Cherries wall covering is by G.P.&J Baker, and the floral artwork by local artist Aaron Gregory hangs above the tub. The guest bathroom was also completely remodeled by Johnny Cargill while preserving the original green tile floor from 1962. The wallpaper is by Schumacher, the countertop is honed marble, and the vanity was custom made by Peach State Cabinets. The sterling brush and comb set once belonged to Malon's mother, Carolyn Wickham. The living room was refreshed with a new sofa by Wesley Hall, upholstered in a subtle striped fabric. Artwork by local artist Gloria Manning hangs above the mantel, and the Henredon chairs, which belonged to Laura's mother, were reupholstered in a rich blue velvet. The expansive upstairs family room was completely redecorated with the help of Leslie Wolfe of Benton Parker Design. The custom sofa is upholstered in a neutral fabric by Anna French, while the draperies and pillows feature textiles by Sister Parrish. The landscape painting above the sofa was purchased from Greg Irby Gallery in Atlanta, and the striking 12-arm chandelier is from Visual Comfort. The breakfast room table is set for Easter using Laura's wedding china, which beautifully complements the new floral drapery from Lee Joffe. A pastel portrait of daughter Hannah by Columbus artist Gary Pound hangs prominently against the grass cloth walls chosen by local decorator Betty Roberts. The rattan chairs are from Chris Moore of Sweetwater Home, and the oval banded table is from Englishman Antiques. The basement bathroom showcases chevron pattern tiles from Tom Phillips floor covering, paired with a custom vanity by Peach State cabinets painted in a rich blue that complements the Anna French wallpaper selected by Leslie Wolfe. The glass shower doors are by Muskogee Glass, and the rattan mirror reflects a new painting by local artist Julianne David. Between the elevated pool and the boathouse on Lake Oliver, Chris Harmon of Wildwood Gardens created a lush, natural retreat. Native plantings, winding paths, and stone accents guide the eye toward the water, blending elegance with the beauty of the surrounding landscape. The rectangular pool, built in 2020, overlooks beautiful Lake Oliver and is meticulously maintained by ASP Pools. The pool pavilion, built by Johnny Cargill, features a fireplace, television, and comfortable seating where the family can relax and take in the scenic views. The surrounding lush lawn was installed by NG Turf.